Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of JavaScript. In this session we are going to discuss what are the different events present in HTML elements and how we can use in our JavaScript function. So this is the third session part 3 of JavaScript. If you missed the previous session, I will give the link on video description. Please check it out. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, today agenda we are going to discuss buttons event, text box event, drop down list event, even also checkbox event. I didn't mention checkbox. Yes, I'm going to discuss about that. So, if you are following with my previous session, here I have created a folder. Let me run this, close this completely. Okay, created a folder which yesterday in my previous session I saw the session 1 and session 2. Here I'm going to create one more file. So those who are following my previous session, here the session 1 and session 2 HTML. If we run the application here, the session 2 HTML will run. You can see it's running on a browser. If I click on submit, this is in my session 2. Okay, events and function. Now let's create a new file, right? HTML file, which will be our session3.html. Here I am going to add a contact form. So I am going to copy paste this complete contact from this W3C. Copy, paste here. I will remove the form tag from now. I no need of this form tag. Okay. Save. Now run the application, run and debug. So you can see it is coming here like this. The text box and here one drop down and one text area, one button. Now it's a good platform to showcase our events, HTML event with JavaScript function. So first we'll go with button. If we click on button, it will do something. It will show a message. Okay, we are going with a message, so it will do something. So how we can do this? So you can see alert. This alert message is showing our pop-up message. So go to session 3. So here, this is the button. Okay, on click button event is on click. So on click straightforward are like this alert. Save the application, go to the browser, refresh it, submit. You can see hello world is coming. So this is on click, right? One more I will keep commented guys, so it will be easy for you. It will be comment line in case you can find. Okay, one more event like on mouse over. So I can write on mouse over, right? This dot value equal to changed. I'm just keeping value changed. Save this. Now go to our browser, rerun it. So you can see value changed. So this is mouse over. I can keep again mouse down, like on mouse leave. On mouse leave, this does value again. It will move to submit. Right? Saved it, rerun it. Isn't it funny? Right? Okay, this is your buttons event. There are so many button event you can consider. On click, on mouse over, on mouse out, on key down. Okay, Now let's move to text box. So we have text box here, f name, which is first name, last name, like. So I want to display same alert message, this alert message in my text change. So here I can write like this: on change, hello world. Save this, go to browser. So first name I did, right? You can see I'm writing my name. I just enter tab. You can see it's coming hello world, but I want to display this value. How I can display? Same thing. This alert, inside this we can write this dot value. Save it. Refresh the page. So I'm writing here this dot value is coming like this. So I think I did a mistake. I no need of this particular single quote. Save it. Rerun it. Right, it's now alerting my enter text. This is the text change event for text box. The same thing, we have a select or drop down list. We can write same, complete same on change. I'm just doing copy paste, guys. So you can see this is select. So I am just doing copy paste. Save it. Refresh it. Now I'm selecting Canada. It is going Canada. I'm selecting USA. It's selecting USA. Right. So you understood how this particular text change, drop down list change, and button, even also button click I show you, right? So I can write down the same thing. Let's see how it is happening. Change, click, hello world. So three event working on a single button now, which is on mouse over, on mouse leaf, and on click. Now let's move a little bit different. Okay, let's put area for interest. Books. Okay, and for books also. So here I'm going to add some checkbox. So here I'm moving to riding. Okay, in case of riding I will move to rides. Okay, so vehicle 1 will be I have a bike, and vehicle 2 will be I have a car. So save this, go to here, rerun the application. So here you can see riding, I have a car, I have bike. So I will remove this riding text, I think. Yeah, I will remove this text, right? So if here, how can I implement event? So here on event each, so I can write like this is my checkbox. So I can write like this: on change. Same thing I'm going to do, alert base dot value. Copy and put in next checkbox. Save it. Go to browser. Refresh it. Bike, car. So what is coming? It's coming the value. So I can change value. I have bike or car, right? So in this way we can add event to our common HTML elements: text box, drop down, button, and checkbox. Guys, I hope you like this session. If you do, give me a thumbs up, leave your comment and suggestion in the comment box, share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.